My name is Christian Rooks, and I'm from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I was kind of dabbling into a few different things. I was working at my stepdad's auto body shop, and also going to school. I heard the money's pretty good. Also, I wanted something that was challenging and a skill set that I could fall back on in case, it's a kind of an economic crisis right now. So I needed something that would be reliable and, produce income for me and my family while, the times are uncertain. My stepdad owns that auto body shop, and he's kind of, in the industry a little bit more than I am. So he's been looking around at different schools and stuff, and throwing suggestions out at me. And he came across the Dent King one day and threw this opportunity at me. And at first I was kind of hesitant. And then I just kind of started looking into it a little bit more because he kept nudging me into it. And just after a while, I'd keep coming back to the website, checking out the social media, and it finally just sold me one day. I was like, okay, I keep looking at this thing, maybe I should just check it out instead of looking at it. And I called Cher one day and just hopped on the train and didn't look back. The instructors are great. It's definitely, they can help you walk through a problem, but it's ultimately up to you to be able to pick up on those skills that you need. They're kind of there to help guide you through the issue. The facility is great. The school, I'm only here my second week, but so far I can see a vast improvement in my base skills and knowledge. And it's each day, you wake up and you're like a few percentage points better than you were the day before. It is a slower grind than I was expecting. I was expecting to come in here and kind of just pick it up pretty quickly. And obviously that's not the case. You're learning very intricate skills and using muscles that personally I have never used before. So there's a skill gap that I have picking this up, and it's a slow progress. And I wasn't aware of that, and I became quickly aware of that, obviously. But it's I like it. It's, eventually it'd be cool to operate my own service and my own business. My immediate plans upon leaving is, working around my town and getting a name built up for myself, and then going from there and see what happens. I would recommend Dent King to people that are very meticulous and, work with a bit of patience and don't have a rush and get it done mentality. You want to take your time in this, and I think this caters to people that are skilled artists or musicians that can sit down and learn something that's pretty hard to master, and be okay with that slow progress and that incremental process. So if those kind of, it's also problem solving too. So if you're able to sit and focus on something for a long time, those are the type of people I would recommend this to. Thank you, Dent King. Thank you, Todd.